Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best car cover to protect your vehicle from weather, dust, and UV damage, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best car covers available today. These covers are selected based on durability, fit, weather resistance, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Avecru Car Cover Waterproof All-Weather for Automobiles, Outdoor Heavy-Duty Full Exterior Covers for Sedan, 194-inch-208. The Avecru car cover is designed for sedan owners who need reliable all-weather outdoor protection. Built for vehicles measuring between 194 to 208 inches in length, this cover provides full exterior coverage for midsize and full-size sedans. One of the main highlights is its waterproof and weather-resistant construction. The material is engineered to protect against rain, snow, UV rays, dust, and debris. This makes it ideal for outdoor parking, especially in areas with unpredictable weather conditions. The fabric is thick enough to provide durability while still remaining flexible for easy installation. The interior lining is designed to be gentle on paint, reducing the risk of scratches during installation and removal. For wind protection, the Avecru cover includes adjustable straps that secure underneath the vehicle. This helps prevent the cover from lifting or blowing off in strong winds. Elastic hems around the edges improve the overall fit and help keep the cover snug against the car body. Reflective strips are integrated into the design for increased nighttime visibility. This is especially useful if your vehicle is parked on the street or in areas with low lighting, helping reduce the risk of accidental bumps. Overall, the Avecru car cover offers dependable outdoor protection for sedan owners looking for a balance of durability, weather resistance, and practical design features. Number 2. Came 7 Layers Car Cover Waterproof All-Weather for Coupe, Outdoor Full Cover Universal Fit for Porsche 718 Cayman Boxster, Nissan 350Z 370Z, Jaguar F-Type, Subaru BRZ, Toyota 86, etc., up to 177-inch. The Came 7 Layers car cover is designed for coupe owners who need serious outdoor protection in all weather conditions. Built with a multi-layer construction, this cover combines durability, waterproof performance, and heat resistance to keep your vehicle protected year-round. The standout feature is its 7-layer material system. The outer layer is waterproof and sun-resistant, helping block rain, snow, and harmful UV rays. Beneath that, thicker inner layers provide added durability and temperature resistance, while the soft inner lining helps protect your paint from scratches and abrasions. This cover is specifically sized for coupes up to 177 inches in length, making it suitable for vehicles like the Porsche 718 Cayman and Boxster, Nissan 350Z and 370Z, Jaguar F-Type, Subaru BRZ, Toyota 86, and similar sports cars. The universal coupe fit ensures full body coverage, including front and rear bumpers. For windy conditions, the cover includes secure straps that attach underneath the car, preventing it from lifting or blowing away. Elastic hems help create a snug fit, reducing movement and improving overall protection. Another helpful feature is the reflective strips, which increase nighttime visibility when the vehicle is parked outdoors. This can reduce the risk of accidental bumps in low-light environments. Despite its heavy-duty protection, the cover remains foldable and manageable for storage when not in use. It's ideal for outdoor parking, long-term storage, or protecting your vehicle from tree sap, dust, bird droppings, and harsh sunlight. Overall, the Came 7 Layers car cover is an excellent choice for coupe owners who want strong, all-weather outdoor protection with a secure fit and paint-safe interior lining. Number 3. Budge Light SUV Car Cover, Single-Layer Breathable Indoor Dust-Proof Protection, Lightweight Non-Abrasive Fabric. Fits SUVs up to 162-inch LX59 WX60H, gray. The Budge Light SUV car cover is designed primarily for indoor protection, offering lightweight and breathable coverage to keep your vehicle clean and dust-free. This is a single-layer cover made from non-abrasive fabric that helps prevent scratches while protecting against indoor elements like dust, dirt, and minor debris. Because it is breathable, it helps reduce moisture buildup underneath the cover, which can be important in garages or storage units. It's designed to fit SUVs up to 162 inches long, 59 inches wide, and 60 inches high. The lightweight design makes it easy to install and remove without hassle, which is ideal for drivers who use their vehicles regularly but still want consistent protection while parked. Unlike heavy outdoor covers, this model focuses on simplicity and convenience. The elasticized hem helps provide a snug fit around the vehicle, reducing shifting in movement. The soft material is gentle on paint finishes, making it suitable for long-term indoor storage. Because it is lightweight, it folds compactly and can be stored easily when not in use. It's a practical solution for protecting your SUV from dust accumulation, pet hair, and garage-related dirt. However, it's important to note that this cover is primarily designed for indoor use and light protection. It is not intended for heavy rain, snow, or extreme outdoor weather conditions. Overall, the Budge Light SUV car cover is a great option for drivers who need affordable, breathable indoor protection to keep their vehicle clean and well-maintained inside a garage or covered space. Number 4. Mornare Waterproof Car Cover All-Weather Snowproof UV Protection Windproof Outdoor Full Car Cover, Universal Fit for Sedan, Blue, a 6-foot sedan length, 207 to 216 inch. The Mornare waterproof car cover is built specifically for sedan owners who want strong outdoor protection in all seasons. Designed to fit sedans between 207 and 216 inches in length, this model provides full body coverage with a universal fit. The cover is made from high-quality waterproof material that protects against rain, snow, frost, and harmful UV rays. It helps prevent paint fading, sun damage, and weather-related wear over time. This makes it a solid option for vehicles parked outdoors year-round. The windproof design includes adjustable straps and buckles that secure the cover underneath the car. Elastic hems ensure a tighter fit, reducing movement during windy conditions. This is particularly important in stormy weather. Its snowproof capability makes it suitable for colder climates. The material helps prevent ice buildup directly on the windshield and body panels, saving time during winter mornings. The blue exterior design makes it visually distinct compared to traditional gray covers, and reflective strips enhance nighttime visibility for added safety. Overall, the Mornare waterproof car cover is a dependable choice for sedan owners who need snow protection, UV defense, and wind-resistant outdoor coverage. Number 5. Easy Shade 10-Layer Car Cover Waterproof All-Weather. See vehicle size chart for accurate fit. Outdoor full exterior covers for automobiles, sedan, hatch, SUV rain sun protection. Size A5, see size chart. The Easy Shade 10-layer car cover stands out with its advanced multi-layer construction designed for maximum protection in extreme weather conditions. This cover is built for sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs, and it requires selecting the correct size using the brand's vehicle size chart. Size A5 is intended for specific vehicle dimensions, so checking compatibility is essential. The 10-layer design provides enhanced waterproofing, UV protection, and heat resistance. The outer layers block rain and snow, while the reflective surface helps reduce interior heat buildup during hot summer days. The inner layers are designed to protect the vehicle's paint finish from scratches. One of the strongest advantages of this cover is its durability. Compared to thinner single-layer options, the multi-layer build provides added thickness and long-term resistance to tearing and wear. For windy conditions, it includes reinforced straps and elastic edges to keep the cover secure. Reflective strips improve nighttime visibility, adding an extra layer of safety when parked outdoors. Overall, the Easy Shade 10-layer car cover is ideal for drivers who want premium, multi-layer protection and are willing to select the precise size for the best fit and maximum coverage. That's our list of the top 5 best car covers here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique protection depending on your vehicle and environment. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.